4. That's a dodgy one. 8.
Could I do some when you get halfway?
Yeah. 12. I need to lift the plate up anyway. 14. Sweaty chicks. 16. 18.
20.
20. You take over.
22.
Just counting 2s now. We'll remember 20, so that's 2.
4.
4.
6. 8. 10. 12. 14. 16. 18. 19. 20.
Is that all of them?
Yep.
40 birds. Exactly what I asked for. Right. I'll let you look at the meat birds. Whilst I alter. We need to sit it on bricks. Come on, chickies. I need you to move over because we're bringing you water already. Move over. Too fat to move. I would say, hang on. Katie and Katie can't reach. Can we, Katie?
No. Quite big.
Should, technically, stop them from drowning themselves in water.
Go with your friends.
And as they grow, we lift it up. Right, I need a feeder, a mass feeder.
Already getting shavings in your water, and you've not even been in there 2 minutes. Been in there 4, nearly 3 or 4 minutes. It looks like there's so less, but there's so much. Is it 20 more than last time or just 10 more?
9.
9 more.
I've got to figure out how I'm doing this one. Give it shavings.
guys.
Hey, you found the water. Still don't fit. Trying to get me a scoop for a chicken, please, babe.
I started coming when you first had, was it when you had your first batch?
First batch, they'd only just started. You'd started coming, you came to work for me just after I got them. Didn't you?
Mm.
So that's 8 weeks.
8 weeks already?
Yep.
It did seem fast.
They're 9.5 weeks old.
And you've done a lot of stuff in those 8 weeks.
Yeah. So, that's me set up. I'll get approval from friends, hopefully. That's another 40 birds.
I don't even look at it. Staying out there under there.
Stay tuned. Round 2. Well, top's cut off. Kaylee's going to fold it, hopefully. She's right down. I've scrubbed all the bottom, sanded all the sides. She's ready for tonight's use. Hello there, Rust. I think I'm covered in rust. So, stay tuned. Right, we have bucket, we have babies, we have clean mama. So we're going to count because we can't keep counting. Whoa. 1. You're alive. Ow. Lively one. 2. Here's Runty. Surprisingly still alive. They won't jump out of the box. 3. 4.
5. Oh, that's a big one.
5. 6.
I think there's 10.
7. 8. Aha. 9.
10.
10.
Oh.
I think that's all of them. Just double check. Yep, that's all of them.
There's 3 spotted ones. 3 white ones, 2 silver ones, and 2 brown ones, I think. 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh God, 3.
Sorry about this. I need to take this wrong bucket out because it could attract death. And we don't want to lose this litter.
Do you see 10?
Yep. Managed to rear 10 babies.
I think the rump one is one of them curly whiskered ones. He's
No,
like,
smooth whiskers. So,
oh, it's just one of his
now we'll put them back and assess them. We have it.
jumpies.
Hungry. Looks white. Another that looks white. And the runt, which is really skinny, looks white. Get back in that box.
The grey one is settling down.
We have a Charlie, which means less than 10% body colour. It's live. Yes, Rex, they'll be back in a minute. We have a Rex. Sorry, Rex, I've woke them all up. We have another almost Charlie. That's a type of colour, by the way. Will you get... Stop hiding in the mucky bit. Go back for your siblings. I'm going to have to swap arms. We have a large agouti with a white snippet.
He's asleep.
We have a small agouti with a snippet and a nose. We have a little tiny silver one with a white stripe.
Stay still.
That is an amazing colour. And then we have this gigantic silver that's actually more lavender. Squirmy little blighters. We have a nest full of 10 babies, which is shocking because she only normally weighs 9. Look at them go to sleep. Big brothers say hi. Sisters, we're going to clean that out next. 10 baby bunnies. Mummy's doing fine. So, everything's been watered. Loads of sunflower coming up and a leek. Pipple's following. That's useless. Sunflower's okay. Pumpkin's huge. Where's that other one? There's another one growing there, but I don't know that it's took. Everything's been watered. These are doing much better since I sorted them. This pumpkin's huge. Pipple! I don't even want to know what you're eating. We've got that one. It started going squishy. That one, which is the double. So hopefully it'll fertilise itself. I am trying. I just can't seem to get pumpkins to grow. Really, I'm struggling. Pipple! Come on. Come on, Pipple. I've got a massive courgette there, look. Look at the size of it. It's longer than my hand is. A yellow one. I'm not sure if we're supposed to get yellow ones on this plant. It's a bit squishy. I think it's gone bad. You alright, Pipple? What are you sniffing? Don't pee on your lead. It's got a lead trailing. These pumpkins are going yellow. I think we definitely need some feed on them. I'm not sure. I think one of these, we've got yellow on there. Yellow on there. He's doing much better. That's not produced. Oh, we've got one there. I don't know if I'm supposed to take more leaves off this. Mumsy, help. That's a few beats before we pull them. Pipple! Pip, come! Pippin! Come on! Come on! Are you stuck? Come on! Yeah, I know there's feathers. You're stuck, aren't you? Stuck on a pitchfork. Get off the pitchfork. Get off the feathers. Come on. Come on. Really nice compost. We'll get some more when we can. Everything was a bit limp in here. I do apologise. They've had a damn good water. Smells weird. 1, 2 pumpkins. 3 pumpkins on this one. Not yet, but I don't know whether they're going to grow. We'll find out. Everything's got watered. I've swatched the cucumber around, so I've got it growing around the back. We'll see what grows. Struggling with the cucumber pumpkins big style. Katie seems to have skipped a pip. We'll take Pipple in. You've seen the video of the baby bunnies. But wait. Pip, wait. Oh dear. Pip, come. Looks like I've got hips collapsed on one. Wait. Pip. Pippin, come. Thank you. Wait. Everyone's in bed. Come on, Pip up. I've got them all on corn tonight. Give them all a batch of corn. I want to yellow the fat in process this weekend. Or a lot are. Right. We've had this going for about 2 hours. And it's lukewarm.
Oh, this is weird.
What?
I found 2 quail eggs, but that one's faded. That one's like faded.
Yeah, you will find 2 quail eggs. Put me down a bit.
That one's faded. I'll put them
No.
on the floor.
It was in your hands. It was perfect in your hands. 2 quail eggs. Pretty. Daddy. One's blue. That's a pretty blue one. Here you go. Pop them outside.
Should I put them... Oh, never mind. Okay.
So it's lukewarm. That's took 2 hours. So my plan is tomorrow to try and get it warm to start with. Just pop them outside for now. Pip, come.
I've emptied everyone, so I need to do it more and just go around with the watering can.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't think I'm leaving you loose, do you, Pippin? There's pretty cats. So, that's everyone locked up. Everyone's fed. I've even left the geese a bucket of corn, which they don't get often because of the boys. But the rate Randy's growing, won't be boys for long. So, hope you've enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned. Plenty more to come.